Tabitha. I play Noelle in the web series Easy Love.
And I'm Jillian. I am the real Noelle in Easy Love.
And this is Noelle.
And we're going to be answering some questions just so you can know us a little better.
And trying some holiday drinks. I mean, I just spend like a lot of money on clothes that I don't need. So I guess that would be like, not worse, but you know, careless spending. Yeah. And the best, I guess, when I bought my flight ticket to London to go away to school.
Okay.
Yeah, that was a really nice experience for me. So
that's
yeah,
a good one. So we have to drink after every question.
Yeah. And what's this called?
Let's call it.
You saying Santa's
ho ho ho.
To fuel the sleigh.
Yes. Okay, so every birthday, Rory, my husband, he does a scavenger hunt. So since, I don't know, many years ago, we started this. So we do a scavenger hunt. I think my favorite one was when he got everyone that I know to do videos for me. And we were in the States, so he played a compilation of all these nice things they were saying about me, and that touches me.
Nice. Sweet. I guess I thought that we were probably kind of similar, like reserved, kind of quiet people. Yeah. So yeah, that was my first impression. I saw your TikTok video, so I'm like, okay, she's a dancer, she's fun. But yeah, other than that, yeah, just quiet.
Okay. So I thought the same thing. Yeah. You were quiet and reserved. I thought you were beautiful.
Thank you.
You too. When you started talking, I thought you're articulate and mature.
Thanks.
And I didn't think you were shy anymore. I mean, I have my definition of shy. Yeah. And you didn't really fit that.
Yeah, you said that.
You observe.
Yeah, I do.
And you're not going to be the center of attention, but you're not afraid to speak up when you need to.
Oh, thanks. Alrighty, so we're going to try another drink?
Yes.
Or?
Well done, thank you. What's this one called?
Thank you.
That's beach water.
All right.
Okay.
Beach water.
Cheers. Okay.
This year, because so much has happened, like in my mind, that's coming, like it's manifesting so quickly. Like I thought about it yesterday, and today is happening. So everything with Easy Love and the book itself, and then I just thought it should be on film, and then Corel was like, all right, film. So that plus, and it's like getting my creative juices going, and that's what I've been wanting to do for a while. So yeah, I would say this year.
It's a good year. Beach water. I'm not a big crier.
Me either.
So yeah, it would have to be something like really deep, like with death, like something like that. I don't really cry in movies. Well, I have started to get a little emotional in movies. I like really wasn't that type of person, but yeah, a good movie.
Can we get another drink?
There's orange juice and vodka.
Something that sticks with me all the time in physics lab at UAB. I was in a group and we had to do these experiments, and this girl did not like me. She was in my group. I don't know why, I don't know what I did to her. But there was one project in particular that I did the entire thing. Introduction, the results, the conclusion, everything. I did every single part of it. And I let the whole group put their names on. We took it up to the professor, and that girl walked up and took my name off of it. And so I went back up and put my name back on it. And she,
What was
I don't know.
What was the beef
I don't know.
like?
I don't know what I did to this girl, but it got, because I'm not confrontational, so I started to tear up like, what is going on? I did this whole thing myself.
What?
But one of the other girls told her, she did this. And she's like, oh, okay, whatever. And she let me put my name back on.
I don't understand that because, no.
I don't know.
Yeah, you
but
said
that
you're not a
sticks with me.
confrontational person,
yeah.
so like, yeah, that calls for a little bit of confrontation, I think.
I should have done something.
I don't know, anything that required me to be indoors and inside the AC when we could turn the AC on. Because the most memorable part was like, I guess I never like took in consideration like, hey, like this is the elements, like, and I get hot. And how do they do this?
Yes.
Like when they sweating on camera and like, I just never thought about like,
or even the flip side,
if it was cold
outside,
or something, like I never really thought about it. So yeah, I guess that's the most memorable part, like having to deal with like, the outside and the climate that we like, have to deal with. But,
My first kiss, I think I was like 11 or 12. I won't say his name, but he called, it was like a Sunday, and me and my friend, Rashema, we put on our skates. He was like, meet me at the corner. And so we put on our rollerblades and we were skating to the end, and I had full mouth of braces. And it was just, hey, let's kiss. And we kissed, and I guess it was fine. I don't know. But yeah, that was it.
I think I was a late bloomer in that area. I think I was like 16. I was in the 11th grade.
Where is he now?
I don't know, whatever. I would say I don't have a type, but the like people I usually go for are like, tall, skinny, light skin.
Okay.
I don't know why, but yeah, that is like, what I'm attracted to, I guess, like light skin, curly hair, pretty eyes.
Okay, I did not think that.
Yeah.
I had a whole thing in my head. I thought he would be kind of just a little taller than you, dark complexion, medium build. I was off.
Yeah. I mean, not to say that I wouldn't date someone like that, but just like, I guess, my track record.
What about personality?
I like a funny person, smart too, someone who's ambitious, like to have a conversation with. And I guess just like trustworthy. Yeah, pretty much.
Okay.
Hope you guys learned a bit more about us, and wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Yeah, Merry Christmas.
Bye.
For more details on how to purchase the book Easy Love, check out the description box below.